Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Roblox Premium with gift card. First, you have to go to roblox.com and log into your account. Then, at the left side, you will find gift cards. Here, click on it, and from here, shop gift cards, and you can buy Roblox gift card from here. Also, you can redeem your gift card from here easily. Just click redeem card, and from here you just need to enter your Roblox gift code and you will find the transaction details from here. Then you can simply click on get premium button here, click on it, and in this page you will find another button that get premium, and here you will find the premium membership, and there is three package. I'm going with the first one, and here it's cost $4 and you can pay with your Visa card, debit card, PayPal, and the last is redeem Roblox card. You just need to click on this, and here please follow the amount of the membership. Here is $4 as you can see. Then you can enter your code here and click on redeem. Suppose the code is like this, and simply click on redeem, and you will get the $4.99 worth of credit in your Roblox account. Then you must need to enter your billing email that they can send you the transaction in your email, and this is worth of $4.99, and you must need to purchase a gift card of $4.99 or higher. Then you can easily get the Roblox Premium 450 membership. It is a monthly membership. As you can see, it's pretty simple, and that's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.